What's up, my beautifuls, my lovelies, my dons? Guys, it's currently 7:35 p.m. in the night time or evening time. Guys, let's say, guys, I have something to tell y'all about earlier with the internet and the cable. Guys, the technician, me not tell no lie. I'm not even talking down on them or anything, guys, but guys, they not do a good job. Yeah, they install it. Let me mute the TV. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Guys, they did a good job installing it and all of that. Mind you, normally when flow technician come here and install the internet, they connect it to the television, they connect it up to your devices, etc. Them are people here, guys, install the blasted thing, right? I don't even know how to explain this to y'all, because the internet that is picking up on my phone is 5G, Digicel, etc. And the internet that is picking up on the television is 2.45G, 2.45G, whatever. Anyhow, got me all confused and thing, and the password wasn't going in. It wasn't taking the password, so therefore I couldn't use the cable. Guys, I was so stressed out, but I figured it out. Guys. I googled it and I figured it out. So I just took a shower a while ago. Did my skincare routine on television. My skincare routine, a skincare products I just put on. From when I do a skincare vlog following up people with the things them and how I apply them. But don't worry, guys, I just have a lot on my plate and I have to be doing them one by one, step by step as I go. Time to come, y'all will be fully updated, fully aware, fully involved in everything that is going on with me. But for now, guys, just give me some grace, please. The greatest thing is I finally get the digital internet connected, so up and running. Yeah, guys. Another thing, I think I may disconnect back the cable, cause today I may say I watch a lot of YouTube and I have the Netflix. The news thing, cause I love watch news, guys. I love know what's going on in our country. Foreign news, local news. I'm a news girl. I watch news on YouTube every day on their live website, and the things them, it's not like I'm missing out on anything off YouTube. I am so involved with all of my little things them that I am interested in and watch. So I'm reconsidering, guys. I might disconnect back the cable at the end of the month and just stay with the internet. But so far I'm liking it. Guys. It's a good thing. Currently watching HGTV $1 Million Dream Home. I like watching some kind of thing too, guys. As I told y'all, I'm an interior designer, guys. So them kind of thing I'm ever into, Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Anyhow. Oh, I didn't tell y'all the bill, guys, for the internet and the cable from Digicel. Let me see, I have the variety bundle package on the cable, and I have the 5G internet, and the bill is for $11,600 at the end of the month. You get free installation. I have not paid a cent as yet. At the end of the month they will email you and etc. the bill, and you take care of it. So it work out good, guys, because normally when you apply for the internet and stuff, you'd have to pay like the installation fee and all of that. So it's a good deal Digital really have going on for them, and I'm glad I utilized it. Yeah, so Guys, I'm just here. Another thing, guys, I'm not sure if the lighting is all that. As I'm gonna buy one ring light, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to buy a ring light, and I'm definitely going to buy another light bulb. May I buy one of the bigger bulb, guys, brighter one them, cause we want to have good light phone, guys. So when I'm here vlogging in the night time, I have good light for y'all. But guys, so far I'm here, and I hope that you all are okay. I trust that you all are doing fine. You are blessed and in good health. Um, yeah, that's pretty much what it is. I'm here. I'm just here now, guys. So if anything, I'll catch you all later. Peace. Love y'all.
Yo. Killing